We are here at the Garland in Los Angeles, California. I'm going to show you around this historic hotel, which is really not too far from really anything in this area, and show you kind of if you should stay here next time you're in Los Angeles.
The Hotel Garland was purchased by Beverly Garland and her husband in 1970 and turned into a sort of oasis within the Hollywood area. The 7-acre property has a hotel, bar, restaurant, pool area, and plenty more. It's super close to Universal Studios and even has a shuttle to the theme park. I was in town for my boyfriend's business trip, so I had a lot of time on my own. I ate at the restaurant once, but it was pretty fancy, so I was happy the bar had plenty of food. I ended up eating there more than anything. The hotel really is an oasis and was a great experience. The room was pretty nice, nothing special but clean and nice, and was a good place to spend a few days. It took nearly an hour to get to and from LAX in an Uber, so expect that, and the price ranged anywhere from $40 to $70 depending on the time of day.
Okay. Oh.
If given the chance, I would definitely stay at the Garland again. It was well priced and well located. The staff was nice and the food was really good.